Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the chi-square test. Chi-square test is an statistical technique, or you can say a test which comes in the subject of statistics. In this test, chi-square test, we learn that whether our calculated value and our expected value are same or not. If they are not same, so we test whether these values are different by chance or due to the variables which we choose. So let us see this by an example. Example: 500 students selected at random from 1500 students enrolled in a computer crash course were classified according to the age and grade points, giving the following data. Here is grade point up to 5, 5.1 to 7.5, 7.6 to 10.0, and this is age in years. There are different criteria below 20, so number of students are given in this side, then 21 to 30, then above 30 in 20 up to 5, this is 30, after that 80 and then 40. So after giving this table, we have a question: test at 5% level of significance that age and grade points are independent. So let us start to solve this question. So first we write down here null hypothesis, which is absolute. We have to write down definitely. Age and grade points are independent, and then we will write down alternative hypothesis: age and grade points are dependent. So here we have to prove this null hypothesis according to the question. So now grade points below 20, 21 to 30, above 30. This is, and so we gave the name to the columns and to the rows. To these rows we gave the name ABC, and to these columns we gave the name to D3EF. And these are the sums of this column. This is the sum 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 of this column. And by summation of this column or this row, we will definitely get the same answer. It's 500. If that will not be same, then it means we have done a mistake somewhere. Now degree of freedom: 3 columns, so 3 minus 1, 3 rows, 3 minus 1, 3 columns, 3 minus 1. It means 2 and 2, then we multiply both, so it becomes 4. After this we will find the value of AD means this digit, CE means this digit, C column, C row and E column. Okay, so we get the ADE, it means 100 into 150 upon 500. AE means 100 into 200 upon 500 equal to 40. BE means 200 into 200 upon 500. As you can see, BE. So the B, for the B row, this value is 200, and the E, this value is 200 also. So 200 multiply 200 divided by this total. The same thing happened to all of them. So now after calculating these value, we make the another table where is class AD, AE, AF, BD, etc. This is OI, this is EI, this is OI minus EI square, this is OI minus EI up square upon EI. So you can see that OI, here the OI is the value which was given in previous table. The value given, these 9 values which are given to us here are the OI value, and the value which we find out here is known as EI value in this column. Then after OI minus EI square, so 30 minus 30 0, 20 minus 30 is equal minus 10, and square of minus 10 is 100. So in this way we prepare this column. After that we have divided it by ei. Ei means this which we calculated. So we get this value, and after doing the summation of this value we get the value of chi square. And into looking the table of chi square, we get that tabulated value of chi square at 5% level of significance for degree of freedom 4 is 9.4877. And now as you can see, the value of chi square which we calculated is very much greater than the chi square in table. So we can say we will reject null hypothesis, hence the age and grade points are dependent. As you can see in the question, he demanded for independent, but the result is that it is totally dependent. So this is wrong. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood this very well.